Alright, we're back in the weld shop. Well, my Dyna has some cracks in it, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of those today. We're looking at, there's a couple of cracks. We got a crack right here where the fender rail meets like the seat pan area. So we're gonna go ahead and put a plunge. With the cutoff wheel, I already went ahead and did that. You can see the crack is pretty deep. So I'm gonna weld that up. And then the same thing happened to this side. I went a little further than I needed to just to make sure it doesn't happen again. Then back here, this battery or fuse box bracket broke off. So gotta weld that thing on. That'll be fun. And then down here, this is cracking too. So we're just gonna go ahead and get with it before it gets ahead of us, I guess, you know. But stay tuned. Do some weld work here in a minute. Alright, we got our first weld done. We're looking at the battery box backside here, or fuse box backside. See, we got a little bit to do down there. It's really hard to reach. But this is our first weld. And, you know, for a while there, I really struggled to run a picture perfect weld and stuff like this, but the facts are you really can't run a perfect. The next weld is pretty tricky. We're working right here, and we'll have to jump back over here. We just don't want things to get hot. And then these two will be pretty easy. Stay tuned. Having fun. Me and my Dyna.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Alright, well, we got this second weld on the fuse box welded up both sides. It was pretty difficult. This side is not near as pretty as the other side. The other side's not pretty either, but it'll hold. That's a fact. It's gonna hold, and you gotta remember this stuff's old. It's all old. It's hard to weld. Here we are. Now we're gonna handle this crack here, and then we'll do the two on the frame rails. Those should move pretty quickly, you know. They're flat, easy welds. Sure makes me appreciate it.
Why stopping me? Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.